some covert nesting, Mom. It's very high level. Covert nesting, Mom. Yeah, I don't need any backup, Mom. Yeah, I mean, look at this cuteness. Yeah, I could cuteness stun anything. Anything that even attempted to breach the perimeter, Mom, I could cuteness. In fact, I think I'll come and I'll cuteness stun you right now. I'm going to cuteness stun you right now. Yeah, call off the paparazzi. Yeah, this is a covert nesting site, Mom. Location unknown. I don't need any backup, Mom. No, I don't. No, I don't, Mom. No, you certainly don't. That is DEFCON 5 cuteness right there. That is DEFCON 5 in every way. Yes, it is, my love. Yeah, DEFCON 5. Yeah, for eardrums and eyeballs, huh? Yeah, my love.